Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram account in 2026. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, let's go ahead and open up our Play Store or App Store, and then just go ahead and find Telegram. Tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just hit on install right here. Wait for the process to finish, and once it's installed, just open it up. Now in here, you should be able to see a start messaging button. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then what you're going to do is just basically select the country where your SIM card is tied. For example, Philippines. So just go ahead and look for Philippines right here. And this is your country code. So just type down the number. For example, from the Philippines, we have 09000000. So do not include a 0. What you're going to do is just go ahead and type down, see, +639 and then the number. Okay, once that's done, just tap on next right here and the verification code will be sent to your phone number. So just go ahead and enter the code to the pop-up where it's needed, and once done, you'll be logged in. All right, so once logged in, all you got to do next is just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, and once you're in here, go ahead over to settings. Change your profile picture, your account name or username, your bio. Also, go ahead over to privacy and security. Add in 2-step verification, passcodes. And after that, you now have your Telegram that is secured. Okay? And there you have it. That's how easy it is to create a Telegram account in 2026. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.